everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 11th of November 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB who've earned themselves a Golden Ticket this week. And everyone has been working really hard again. So thank you everyone and well done to all these children. So let's start off this morning in nursery. And in nursery we have, this child is a great friend to everyone. He loves to draw and read lots at home, which is fantastic. And the other child is always polite. He's now really good at sharing and taking turns and is confident to talk about his ideas. Absolutely amazing. 2 nursery children. And here they are. Golden tickets go to, coming in. Look, there is Oscar and Adam. Look at that. Look, big smiles on their faces as well. Well done, you two. Really proud of you. You should be smiling as well. You've won the golden ticket, you superstars. Well done for all that reading, being independent and being kind. So really well done. Enjoy taking this home today, you superstars. Well done. On to reception. And Miss McTavish says this person has won the golden ticket for always being kind friend and working hard in our phonics sessions. Always being a kind friend. What a lovely thing to hear. Fantastic. So well done. They always follow our school rules and have beautiful manners, which is they don't cost anything. So really well done. Well done too. Here she comes. Hadley. There she is. Look at that. Beautiful smile, Hadley. Well done. Look, yes. You've won the golden ticket, you superstar. So really well done. Thank you for being so kind and thanks for having such beautiful manners, you superstar. Well done. Enjoy taking this home today, you superstar. On to Miss Ruffles says, this child is kind to others, particularly while playing in our outdoor area, helping friends and younger nursery children without being asked. Again, being helpful, helping our friends, it's fantastic. He has been working very hard on his phonics, including lots of reading and writing practice at home. Well done to this week's golden ticket winner. Well done indeed. It is Brody. There he is. Look, big smile. Well done, Brody. Thank you again for being so kind and working so hard as well on your writing and your reading. Enjoy taking this home with you today. You superstar. Well done. Keep it up. Thank you. On to year 1 and Mr. Pinner. Our winner this week is a terrific member of the class. He works really hard in all lessons and is always keen to contribute to discussions. He's a fabulous mathematician, has been producing some fantastic work in lessons. He really has. He's eager to do his absolute best. He reads at least 5 times a week, every week, and so is always in the raffle to win a book on Friday with a 5-read raffle. So well done. He's disappointed that his name hasn't been drawn out yet, but I hope he'll be really pleased to be receiving a very deserved golden ticket this week. I believe he will be. Golden ticket goes to Armandas. There he is. Look at that. What a beautiful smile. Well done, Armandas. Beautiful sitting as well. The whole body listener. Really well done. Enjoy taking a golden ticket home today, you superstar. It's really well deserved. Well done. Keep it up. On to Mr. Ackerman, and Mr. Ackerman says this child is a super example to others as they make fantastic choices inside our classroom and they do work hard to become a better learner. They sit beautifully during carpet time and they give their learning lots of effort once back at their table. They certainly do. Golden ticket goes to Amelia. Look at that. Beautiful smile, Amelia. Well done, hon. Really well done. Keep up the super hard work because you're just making amazing progress. So really well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today, you superstar. Well deserved. On to year 2. Miss Begum says this person is hardworking and focused with their learning. They're good at listening and always keen to help in the class. Sharing the load is what Mr. Allen keeps asking. They are a kind and respectful friend and they encourage others to make the right choices. They certainly are. Golden ticket goes to, she is Jessica. Well done, Jessica. Well done, you superstar. Look, I can see a little bit of your certificate there from presentation and certificate as well. You've got the golden ticket. Really well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today. And thank you for being such a beautiful role model. Well done. Keep it up. On to Miss Hall. Miss Hall said, this child is working so much harder and is doing an increasing amount of work independently, really trying hard on her own. She's produced excellent writing at home and at school and has been completing her finger gym every day. Fantastic. Golden ticket goes to Emily. There she is. Look at that. Big smile, Emily. Well done. Lovely, perfect partner. Look at the maths. So really well done. Enjoy taking this home. You absolute superstar. Keep it up. Keep working hard. Keep being independent. Well done. Finally, onto the SRB. And Mr. Hardman says, the winner is a kind and helpful child. They always show good listening on the carpet. Real role model for other children. That's what we've heard throughout this morning. They've been making good progress in maths and have been impressing everyone with what they can remember. And it's a good day to be remembering today as well. Golden ticket goes to Braden. There he is. Look at that. Big smile on his face. Well done, Braden. Thank you for being so amazing. And thank you for just working so hard and being such a perfect role model. You absolute superstar. Really well done. Enjoy taking this home today, you superstar. Well done. Finally today, here we go. Look, A week to remember. It absolutely has been a week to remember for all these golden ticket winners. If it wasn't you, copy those children. It could be you next week. As you can see, just a poppy there, it is Remembrance Day today, so please, we are remembering all those that gave their lives and have fought for us to ensure that we can live as we live today. It'll be a weekend of that, so let's all be really thankful to those and remember others who've done wonderful things for us to help us be who we are today. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.